Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So by the title of this video, you guys probably, obviously already know what this video is. This is going to be my Sephora VIB sale haul. This is only a portion of what I got, but it's kind of a lot of stuff. I still have another package coming in the mail. Sephora is taking a little bit longer to mail packages because of obviously COVID-19, what's going on. So they're taking a little bit longer. So that one isn't going to get here for a few more weeks. So I will show you guys that one when that one comes in. But I was so excited to share with you guys some of the goodies that I already purchased. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into the video. So if you guys watch my videos and you guys know what this first item is, if you guys are new here, hi. This next item, well, this first item is the most expensive thing I've bought in like years. I don't think I've bought something this expensive since I bought my camera, which I'm filming on right now. Trying to think. I bought my car, but I don't really consider that like, you know what I mean? Yeah, this is definitely the most expensive thing I've bought in years. So I'm super excited to show you guys what it is. Dun, 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 dun. This is the Dyson AIRWRAP. So this nice thing retails for $500, but I did buy it during the VIB sale, so I did get 20% off, so I only paid $400 for it. Woohoo! Like, super cheap. Not really, but I would not have paid $500 for it. I may have if the VIB sale wasn't like so close. I did start wanting this in the recent months. I would say like the past, definitely quarantine did it to me. I was definitely like looking at a lot of videos and just seeing how people do their hair and just watching so many reviews on it. And I just was like, oh my god, like I need this in my life. So I did purchase it. I didn't purchase the full kit, that's why it was only $400. The full kit is $549, and that gives you all of the attachments. But there's 3 different kits on Sephora's website. There's the full kit, then there's one for thick hair, and then there's one for thin and fine hair. I think it's thin and fine, or thin and flat, whatever. But I do have thin hair and I do have somewhat of flat hair. So I did pick up that one because I don't need all the other, like, I was going to say utensils, all the other attachments for thick hair because I have nowhere near thick hair. So I did pick this one up. So this one comes with the pre-styling dryer, the 1.2 inch barrels, the soft smoothing brush, and the round volumizing brush. It's actually not in here. It's sitting in front of me because it's just so freaking big. So let me show you guys. So it comes with this big case, which is so cool. It makes it like a little bit more like luxurious, and it definitely makes it worth the money. So when you open it, it looks like this. And then this, actually, I just found out yesterday that this is a mat for you to place your AIRWRAP on, while you're using it. It's like a non-slip mat. When I opened it, I was like, what the hell is this thing for? Like, what's the point of it? Now I know what it is, but inside, as you can see, are all the attachments. Let me move this. So you have the brush, then you have the 2 barrels, the pre-styling dryer, and then the round brush, and then of course the actual Dyson. So I'll just show you guys really quickly. So this is what the the AIRWRAP looks like without any attachments. So it comes with this brush, which is like for smoothing and straightening. Then it comes with the 2 barrels. These are the 1.2 inches. It does come with 1.6, but that is in the complete kit. I only got the 1.2. I don't have super long hair, so the 1.2 is perfect for me. If I did have like longer hair, the 1.6 is what I would prefer, but this is fine for me. The pre-styling dryer, which is like probably one of my favorite attachments, and then the little round brush. So at the moment, I only use 3 attachments. I really only use the pre-styling dryer for when my hair is wet, and then I do use the barrels to like style my hair. It's actually what I used today to style my hair. So one thing I do want to say about this really quickly is it's not like a curling wand. So if you're somebody that wants like nice waves and like that type, not waves, curls, if you want really nice like curls, tight curls, this is not going to do it. Well, at least for my hair texture. If you're somebody that has thin, fine hair like me, this is not going to do it. This is the best that I can get it. But I will say, it always looks like I have blown out hair, which I love. I prefer a blowout over when I actually curl my hair. You know what I mean? So I have been enjoying it. I was on the fence for a few days. I was like going back and forth. Do I like it? Do I not like it? Do I like it? Do I not like it? And it's really expensive. So it's something that like I need to be like like I love this thing, but I am leaning more towards the loving it so far. This is what my hair looks like. Let me know down below if you like how my hair looks. I really do like the blown out look. I love how it's kind of like wavy and then it gives me like a little bit of a curl. I really have been enjoying it so far. But yeah, so this is the most expensive thing in this entire haul. I will be doing more videos on it as I get more comfortable using it and giving you guys more tips and tricks, because when I first try something, the first few times, I'm not crazy about it and I really need to like get my feel with it. So I'm still kind of getting my feel with it, still kind of seeing what works, what doesn't work. So I will for sure be doing more videos on this. So let's move on to the rest of the haul. So first thing I got is this, what is this called? This is a thirst trap cocoon mask from the brand Wishful. This is what it looks like. This is from Huda Beauty's skincare line called Wishful. So it is a clean line at Sephora. That is why I picked this up. I was really interested to see what this mask did. It is, what does it say it does? It's so holographic, I can't read it with the light shining on it. It says instant hydration, softer skin, dewy glow, soothing. Directions: start with clean, dry skin, remove the protective film, leave on for 20 minutes, remove and gently pat excess into skin. So I'm super excited to try this out and see how it is. So another thing that I did pick up from Huda's line is the ENZYME scrub. It's called the Yo Glow. This is what the box looks like. I ran out of my exfoliator and I needed a new like exfoliator or scrub. So I saw this and I picked this up. I've only used it once. This is what it looks like. I didn't pick up the full size because I don't think I need a full size for an exfoliator, because I only exfoliate like 1 to 2 times a week. So I don't need to have the full size of it. So this was, I think, $21. This was $9, by the way. This was $21. So I did pick it up. I have used it once. I don't really know how I feel about it yet. I need to use it a few more times to really like make my decision on it. So that's that. Then I'll just stick with skincare really, really quick. I did pick up a restock of the Sephora Glow Peel Pads. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I love these. I really like these because they are like kind of an exfoliating pad, so I feel like they kind of get off extra dead skin after you exfoliate. I really, really love them. I use them like 1 to 2 times a week only when I exfoliate, and I needed to restock on them because I love them. So up next, I did pick up 2 of these. These are the Sephora Organic Cotton Pads. This is what they look like. These are my favorite cotton pads of life. They are organic. They are just so good. I don't know if you can tell from the packaging, but they are square. They're not like cotton rounds. They're just like cotton pads. I love them so much. When I first bought them and I was using them, they were just like unlike any other like cotton round or cotton pad that I've ever used, and I really, really love them. So I did have to pick them up. So up next is from the brand OUAI. These, I've actually been taking these for 2 months now. I'm about to start my 3rd month. This is the OUAI Thin Hair Supplement. This is what it looks like. This is supposed to like make your hair feel a little bit thicker, make it a little bit more like voluptuous, help it grow. So I am in the process of trying to grow out my hair. I feel like it's going pretty good. It's a lot. This is the longest it's been in like years, so I'm super, super thankful for it, but I do definitely want it to be longer. So I have been using them for 2 months, and with these type of vitamins, you have to wait about 3 months to really start seeing results. My hair has grown, but I think that's a mixture of the vitamins, and I have been using that Redken, what is it, the Extreme Length shampoo. So I have been using that, so I think it's like a combination of both. So I'm hoping going into this 3rd month, I will start to see dramatic results, because like I said, with these, you really need to wait like at least 3 months before you start seeing results. Like you're not going to start seeing results within a month. You need to kind of take it for like a while to really, really get those results. So picked this up because I was running out. So up next, I did, of course, I always restock on this. It's like so boring, but this is the JOUER Essential High Coverage Concealer. I had to restock on it, of course, because it's my favorite concealer. It's the concealer I'm wearing on my eyes right now, and it's just, I needed to pick up a backup because I am running super low on my current one, and this, like, no concealer tops this. I really want to purchase another Shape Tape to really, like, see if I still love it or if I'm just, like, totally hooked on this, but this is like my baby, so I had to restock on that. So up next, they just re-released the Hourglass, what is it? The Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. Now, I have spoke about this palette so many times in my channel. I think it's been in my last 3 Best of Beauty videos, I think 2017, 2018, and I think I included it in 2019. I don't know if I did. I don't think I did, actually. But they finally brought it back. This is my favorite highlighting palette, or highlighters of all time. They literally are just my favorite. This is what they look like. They are so freaking beautiful. Let me swatch them for you. They literally just give you like the most wet, glowing, glow from within look. Hold on, is it going to focus? There you go. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is them swatched on my hands. Like I said, they just give you the most beautiful, beautiful glow. I know that this is more on the pricey side, which is why I was so excited that it like re-released during the sale, because I've had this. This released in holiday 2017. So I've had mine since then, and I'm just now running out of it. So it's like definitely something that is an investment. I have used this so many times. I travel with it. This is just like my holy grail highlighting palette. So when they brought it back, I was like, yes, like I'm so excited. I definitely need it. So I had to, of course, restock on it. If you're somebody that loves like a glowy, metallic, just like glow, wet, like look from within, glow from within, that's what I was trying to say, then definitely pick this up. This is just such a good highlighting palette. It is my favorite. So I'm sure you guys know, but in case you don't, Fenty came out with cream products. You want to know what I've realized? I realized that I love Fenty. It is definitely one of my like top brands. I love the foundation. I love the bronzer. I just love so many things from Fenty. So when I saw that they came out with cream products, I was like, whoa. They launched cream bronzers and cream blushes. So I didn't pick up a cream blush, which I actually might, but I didn't. I picked up the cream bronzer. So if you guys know, I love the other, I don't know what it's called. It's just the Fenty bronzer, I think. I have mine in the shade Into Sun, which is her powdered bronzer, and I love that bronzer so much. This is, I picked up in the shade 02 Butter Biscuit. So this is what it looks like. It's just a beautiful, like, brown without being too warm or too cool. I think it has the perfect undertone. I swatched it right there for you guys so you guys can see. It is, whoa, oh my god, I just dropped it. It is the bronzer that I'm wearing on my face right now. I didn't put any powder bronzer over it, so this is just all the cream bronzer on my forehead, on my cheeks. So I didn't use my powder bronzer over it. I really just wanted to test this out on its own, and I actually really like the formula. It's not super pigmented, so it's like you're not gonna dip your brush in and then go in and there's gonna be a lot of product, which is good, because I feel like if you're somebody that has a heavy hand but doesn't want it to look heavy on their face, this is the perfect product. And if you're somebody that likes to build, this is definitely the perfect product, because you're not gonna go in with a lot of product at once. It's just such a good product. And if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that I'm super into cream contour, cream bronzers. So when I saw that they came out with this, I was like, hold up, I need this, because this is, I just love Fenty, so loved that. And the last thing that I picked up is from TATCHA. So if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I am ride or die for the TATCHA, the Silk Canvas Primer. It's one of my top primers. So they just launched the liquid Silk Canvas, and I was like, whoa, I need to pick this up. So I did pick up this. This is what it looks like. Of course, super beautiful TATCHA packaging. It does have a pump, so you can just pump out the product. And I used it on my skin today, and it really just like blurred my skin and made my skin look really just like perfect, poreless, just everything. So this is the first time that I am trying it, so I don't have like full thoughts on it for you guys, but I'm sure I will within the coming weeks, and I will let you guys know. And then this doesn't really count, but I did pick this up. It was a 200 point little thing. So this is from the brand Henrickson. This is their Power Duo to Go. This is the Glow Cycle Retin Alt Retinol Alternative Power Serum. This is what it looks like. I love when Sephora does these like 200 or 100 or 500 point little samples because I love testing out things from brands. So this is what this looks like, and then it also did come with the nighttime cream. This is the Goodnight Glow Retinol Alternative Sleeping Cream, and this is what it looks like. I looked up these two products on the Sephora website to kind of see what they were all about, and both of them, well, these two products use retinol alternative like stuff. So instead of using retinol on your skin, it's like a retinol organic alternative. So I don't know, I haven't tried them yet, but I am super excited to see what they're about, and I love that they come with this little cute bag. I love little like mini makeup bags like this. They just make me so happy. Guys, so that is everything that I picked up so far during the Sephora VIB sale. Let me know down below if you guys are shopping just as much as I am during the sale. I literally wait for this sale every 6 months. It just brings me so much joy and so much happiness. I love this sale so much. So let me know down below what you guys have picked up. If you picked up anything, I would love to know. Let me know any of your recommendations. And yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!